As mentioned last time, before we can get started on the new kitchen, we have to fix the old kitchen.
I need to get a 2x3 here.
Okay.
To run on this, and then I can put the drywall in here. And then we have to have so I can attach it to here and attach it here, but I need something to attach it down there.
While the guys were finishing up the water damage repair, we added framing and drywall to that surprise space behind the fireplace.
So I can drill into that.
Right.
And then I have that little piece of drywall out there. I can fix this part right now. We just need to get one piece of drywall. Let's just build it out of 2x3, it's cheaper.
Yeah. Well, my GoPro ran out, but this is where we left it for tonight. One complete one, we need to get another piece of drywall. And the ceiling hole fixed. So that'll do for tonight. All right, so yeah, last night we took down all this. Looks like they've got this paper down. I think this is that rosin paper. It looks like roof paper. It's better than it did. Just need to put the lumber up in the wall, which is right there. Much better. I think I brought you something. Oh yeah, those are nice.
Replace this.
We also had to frame in that skinny little doorway that someone had cut through to the living room so that we will have room for a refrigerator, which will need power and water, which in turn will need a stud to attach to. We have a full-size circular saw, but it can be kind of difficult to handle. So I bought this mini saw, primarily for cutting out the underlayment. I thought I'd take it for a test drive on the framing, but it turns out it's not great for that sort of work.
If you were Ames's gloves, where would you be?
I feel like I just saw them somewhere, right there, by the screws, the bucket screws.
Oh, yep. I walked down there and I just slammed.
Like I said, we need to fix the underlayment, as we'll want to tile before the cabinets get here, and the floor needs to be nice and level for that.
How do you open this thing? There's not a fire.
With the saw, I can adjust the depth just right so that it cuts through the plywood, but not the subfloor or the joists.
We need 2 hammers apparently. Did I get the big whacker? Can I grab you a second? Yep. I would just cut out a little square and then keep going back.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
But, this blade is dull as f***, or I'm hitting something. But you know what? Oh, because we cut drywall with it. It's probably the worst thing for it. How are we gonna get all these little chunks out of the vent?
Huh?
How are we gonna get all these little chunks out of the vent?
Shop back.
Okay.
Shop back.
Okay, I feel the edge.
Every time it gets stuck.
I've got a T20 socket on a socket extension thing and then just another T20 bit.
Get stuck, that's good. That's working better. Cool.
2 inches.
2 inches, a little bit more maybe, I don't know. Not being precise, I'm just making it look good, you know?
Yeah. All right, so those guys just wrapped up and headed out, and that's our new panel out there. They did this board. I did that one. And that's what it looks like on the outside. And now we are going to get out of the way so the pros can do their work. First, the electricians came back to eliminate all the unwanted fixtures and janky wiring. They updated the lighting, and they wired up the kitchen for our new appliances. Wow.
Look how bright it is in there.
I know, with those can lights.
Yeah. Those are just holes I have to fix.
Oh,
I
okay.
just had to fish the wire through.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so they had to fish the wire because the trusses go this way.
Right.
Man, that is nice.
So much better.
And I said I wanted everything to be black.
And it's not.
And it's not.
Nope.
Look how much better that looks.
Ah,
Is that bright enough for you?
yes. Yes, plenty bright enough.
I had them leave this
Uh-huh.
so we can put our beer thing here.
And bev fridge.
Yeah. Microwave, there's our range.
Yeah.
Here is our outlet for our dishwasher and garbage disposal.
Mm-hmm.
And everything looks nice, doesn't it?
So clean.
Very clean.
Oh, and our fridge outlets over there too.
Yep, we got our fridge outlet. They put in another outlet here for us.
Okay. Next, the plumbers ran water and gas lines for the kitchen. They replaced the old leaky pipes and fixtures throughout the whole house. and installed a new tankless water heater.
That's cool. Do you know when the inspector's gonna come and check for the gas tank?
So we have the inspection scheduled for tomorrow.
Okay.
For the gas inspection.
Okay.
Since they ran new pipe all the way to the meter, we were without water for a couple of days. That meant temporary facilities, working around town, showering at the gym, and lots of dust. But it wasn't so bad. Looks nice.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. Very modern, I dig it.
Yeah, this thing doesn't even work. So I just think I'll just get some wood filler.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just fill that in. And
Yeah.
Get some wood filler. And then it'll just be all nice and fill in these holes, yeah.
Our neighbor brought us cookies and a card. Isn't that nice? Now we are ready for the fun stuff. Just kidding. It's actually more flooring prep and lots of drywall.